what a year, what everything you're having. I mean, there's so much to talk about. Congrats on everything, and thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Cardi B, you are from the Bronx?
Mm-hmm.
How are you? You're not getting any gifts this year for Christmas.
No, because you want to know something? Everybody that I know got kids, and it's just like, that's just a lot of kids.
So take care of the...
And I got new godkids out of nowhere. You know, once you start making money, everybody wants you to be there.
But you did get a beautiful gift. Actually, you got a wedding ring from your fiancé. I mean, is right. Yeah.
I know he was gonna give me a very expensive gift because he wasn't there for my birthday, but I thought he was gonna give me like a watch or something. But he just went out his way.
Yeah, you already
You
are.
know what I'm saying? Because it's just like, I never thought me. Okay. Ew.